Usually when we send something from the camera roll to our friend, it doesn't get sent as snap. But today I will guide you how to send video from camera roll as a snap. For this, you must update your Snapchat application. After updating, open the application. Now click on the emoji icon below. Now you will see the search icon in the lower right corner. Click on it. Search the gallery by clicking the search bar above. Open this filter. Your gallery will open below. Select the video you want to save as a snap. Hold on a little bit there. Now tap on next. From here you can send snaps to your friends. The snap has been sent.